the heck is happening out there? What's happening in your world in real estate?
Well, so we are preparing a lot of listings, which is really great. Hopefully trying to break some of this inventory issue, which has been phenomenal. But because of the lack of inventory, we like literally are seeing so many people out. So, I mean, we just did an open house this last weekend. I did, and there were literally over 100 people who came through.
It's like crowd management.
Yeah, exactly. You don't really talk to anybody. It would be like they come up in sets of 10. I felt like going to Disney, and one of like the operators
Scan your ticket here.
Exactly.
Wait here.
I almost wanted to like have like a recording, a voice recording, and then put it on the loudspeakers because thank you for, hi, my name is Samuel. Like, thank you for coming. I'm here to help your experience through this ride.
Yeah.
Don't avoid other people, but here are the details of the property, and then just put it on loop over the loudspeakers. So then I didn't have to like actually.
Welcome to.
Yeah, but it literally was like just controlled chaos.
Well, kind of off of that 100 groups through our grand opening, right? Which we're very excited about because we did a lot of marketing to have that impact. We ended up with 21 offers on that property.
I know, we're legal. Let's go have a cocktail.
Our property is great.
Yeah.
No, we ended up with 21 offers, which is a very exciting time, but also a very hectic time. You know, with properties like that, we always say it's not necessarily getting contracts is easy. Figuring out who's committed to that property, who's writing an offer because they don't want to lose it, what's the right team to give us success. There's a lot of things that go into that then can get more challenging for certain.
And we'll talk about like etiquette with buyers.
That's one of our questions today.
Yeah, because literally with 21 offers, people made right moves and then people made bad moves. And so we want to really talk about that as well.
So in terms of that, though, that's the interesting thing that I'm seeing in the market right now is that certain markets feel very, very hot and certain markets don't cooler, right? Our condo market in more popular locations feels really hot. Pretty much the stuff that we're putting on feels really hectic, really, really chaotic.
Yeah.
Single family homes on the northwest side, more affordable. That one's on fire as well. We're seeing a lot of multiple bids. Popular location, single family homes, but on the more affordable side within those locations still.
Yeah.
Really, really kind of crazy markets. But what we're seeing is not every market's like that.
No.
Right?
I mean, we have been seeing a lot of like multiple offers and all of that stuff.
But not everywhere. So what I've noticed, right? Gold Coast row homes. There's a little bit more inventory and those are a little bit tougher right now.
And that market has always been kind of softer. I mean, it's been that way for like 10 years.
Yeah, no, that one has been a challenging one for certain. But I'd also say Bucktown, higher end single family homes. That market's a little bit quieter right now too, which is a little bit of a surprise because our single family homes have been doing so well. But that's one that I've noticed is a little bit slower.
Yeah. Well, and we talked on one of the episodes a couple months ago about like the ultra luxury doing really well. And then that has also slowed down.
Yeah, that one's been a little bit kind of depending on what it is, where it is and stuff like that. Or ultra luxury, which started the year a little bit more
Faster pace and then
fire, is now a little bit slower. And I'd say downtown. Downtown is performing well because there's not a ton, but it's not at the same tenacity as it's been.
Yeah, and we've actually seen like a lot of articles coming out where like people are actually at the price where they bought it like 10 years ago. And so that's like the hard part is, do you part from this investment that you've essentially put all this stuff in and it isn't appreciating like some of the other markets?
Yep.
So